Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and join teams in Candy Crush? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To join a team in Candy Crush game, specifically available in Candy Crush Saga and Candy Crush Soda Saga and also Candy Crush Friends Saga, you must have the features available in your app and meet the level requirements. So first things first, the team feature is usually represented by a specific icon on your game's main map screen. In Candy Crush Friends Saga, it's often the fourth icon at the bottom of the screen. In other versions, it can sometimes be found in power-up menus. If you are already part of a team, you must leave it before joining a new one. This option is typically found within your team setting or information I section. Tap on the team icon and you should see an option for search for team. And you can enter a specific team name or code if you know one. Otherwise, the game may suggest teams for you to join. For private teams, you will need to send a request to join and the team admin must approve it. For public teams, however, you may be able to join immediately. For a guaranteed spot with friends, you can ask them to send you an invite link via social media or email, which will open the game and allow you to join their specific teams. I hope this video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.